Big Bang, the universe was already rewriting the laws of reality. Welcome back to @pro_know, where knowledge comes with a price, but in my case, it comes with a subscription. Picture this. Around 13.8 billion years ago, the entire universe was squished into a tiny, hot and dense point. This singularity suddenly exploded in what we call the Big Bang. In a fraction of a second, the universe expanded at an incredible speed, creating space and time itself. As it cooled down, particles began to form, leading to the creation of atoms, stars, and galaxies. Let's rewind the cosmic clock to 10 to the power of -12 seconds after the Big Bang, a moment known as the Quirk Era. The universe was still unimaginably hot, trillions of degrees, and filled with a dense, soupy plasma of energy and particles. At this stage, quarks roamed free. These are the fundamental building blocks of matter, the tiniest particles that make up everything from stars to cells. But they weren't alone. Holding them together was the strong nuclear force, carried by particles called gluons. Gluons act like invisible threads, weaving quarks together. They mediate the strong force, the most powerful of nature's 4 fundamental forces. Without gluons, matter as we know it would never form. Gluons act like invisible threads, weaving quarks together. They mediate the strong force, the most powerful of nature's 4 fundamental forces. Without gluons, matter as we know it would never form. As the universe expanded, it cooled just enough for quarks to start sticking together. This process is called hadronization. Quarks began forming groups of 2 or 3, giving rise to particles we now know as protons and neutrons, the building blocks of atoms. These weren't atoms yet, we were still far from that, but it was the beginning. The universe transitioned from a chaotic quark-gluon plasma to a more structured state. Matter as we know it had begun to take shape. This era lasted just a fraction of a second, but it was a turning point, the foundation of everything. From stars to galaxies, from life to consciousness, it all began with quarks, gluons, and the unstoppable march of cosmic time. So next time someone asks you what existed before atoms, tell them about the Quirk Era. And if you love diving deep into the universe like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to @pro_know. Because here, knowledge isn't just power, it's a subscription away.
If this video bent your brain, then imagine what else we're about to uncover. Subscribe to @pro_know, where we turn the universe into understandable science. Because remember, knowledge comes with a price, but in my case, you just need to subscribe. Stay curious, question everything, and until next time, keep exploring the impossible.